Hi, I'm Sasha to continue sharing with you today more tips on keeping your plumbing system in tip-top condition, courtesy of Call Greenway Home Services in Memphis, Tennessee. For quality appliance and plumber services, contact Call Greenway at www.callgreenway.com. Continuous stress on pipes can lead to plumbing leaks, and here are a few things that you can do that might prevent those drips. Here's 2 ways that you can take measures to prevent those leaks in your pipes. First of all, you can reduce water pressure. Although high water pressure may be nice for the shower or the faucet, it can reduce the durability of your plumbing system over time. You can stop your system from working harder by measuring your water pressure, and you can also hire a professional to install a pressure reducer. You can also reduce stress to your plumbing system by softening the water. High mineral content, or hard water, can ultimately restrict water flow in your pipes and corrode joints and fittings. If you have buildup in your shower heads and faucets, your water is probably too hard. You may need a plumber to install a softener, or you can install one yourself. Reducing water pressure and avoiding hard water are 2 ways that you can ensure your pipes will last long term. Check out our upcoming videos for more tips on keeping the plumbing system in your home functioning at peak performance. For quality appliance and plumbing services in Memphis, contact Call Greenway at www.callgreenway.com.